This is a step-by-step guide to replace the Mac Mini 2024 front USB-C ports. First, power down and unplug every cable to prevent electrical damage. Work on a clean, static-free surface and wear an ESD wrist strap. Gather tools: pentalobe screwdriver, Torx set, plastic spudger, and tweezers. Remove the outer shell screws and gently lift the top cover straight up. Locate the front USB-C assembly and follow the ribbon cables to their connectors. Release the cable latches and carefully unplug each ribbon from the logic board. Unscrew the USB-C module screws and lift the old port assembly free. Compare the new port assembly, align pins and orientation before installing. Seat the new module, screw it down, and reconnect each ribbon firmly. Replace the top cover, tighten screws, plug in, and power on the Mac Mini. Test all front USB-C ports with a drive and power cable. Done!